This is the first chapter in your semester one. So today we'll see this partial differentiation question. Before going to partial differentiation, we should know some basic formulas of differentiation. Okay, we'll see the basic formulas of derivatives. First, if you see the differentiation of d by dx, differentiation of x to the power of n is equals to n x to the power of n minus 1. These are the basic formulas I'm going to discuss. You might be already knowing differentiation of if you take 1 by x, this you can write as differentiation of x to the power of minus 1. Can you tell me what is the answer? Differentiation of x to the power of minus 1 according to this formula. So
Yes.
d by dx,
Yes.
x to the power of n is equals to n x to the power of n minus 1. This is the basic
Yes.
formula. So as per this, differentiation of 1 by x is minus 1 divided by x squared as per this formula.
X
Okay.
squared.
Yeah. Next, the differentiation of root x, if you see, this is 1 by 2 root x. You have to write this as x to the power of 1 by 2. This one. So next, differentiation of log x is equals to 1 by x. Next, differentiation of the constant k is equals to 0. Differentiation of a to the power of x is equals to a to the power of x log a. Sixth one, differentiation of e to the power of x, exponential term is equals to e to the power of x. Similarly, we have a differentiation of u and v. If you have two variables, differentiation of uv is equals to uv dash plus vu dash. This v dash is nothing but dv by dx. You can write this as u dv by dx plus v du by dx. When you have two variables in the differentiating term, you have to use this form. Similarly, we have one more formula, differentiation of u by v. This is equals to v u dash minus u v dash divided by v square. Okay, these are the basic formulas of differentiation. Now, next we'll see differentiation of trigonometric functions. So differentiation of trigonometric functions. Sin x is equals to cos x. Differentiation of cos x is equals to minus sin x. Differentiation of tan x is equals to secant square. Differentiation of cot x is equals to, what is the differentiation of cot x? Differentiation of cot x, differentiation of sin x, and differentiation of cosecant x. You can answer this. So differentiation of cot x is minus cosecant square. Differentiation of secant x is secant x tan x. Okay. Differentiation of cosecant x is minus cosecant x cot x. Okay. These are the basic formulas we are going to use. Okay. Now we will see how the partial differentiation is done. This is the differentiation. This is the differentiation. Then what is partial differentiation? So in the partial differentiation, when we have two variables, when we have two variables, like for example, u is equals to x dot y. We have two variables here. Okay, these two are independent variables. This is a dependent variable. Okay, so now when you do dou u by dou x here, when you are differentiating with respect to x, you have to treat y as a constant. Y is treated as constant. Similarly, when you are differentiating u with y, x is treated as constant. Okay, in the partial differentiation, we are doing like this. When you are differentiating with respect to x, the y terms or the y parameter will be treated as a constant. When you are differentiating with respect to y, x is treated as constant. Now, the same expression if you take here, the dou u by dou x. Dou u by dou x is nothing but the differentiation of this x dot y. Now here, x, now you are differentiating with respect to x. So here, y is treated as constant. Y is treated as constant. So y will be taken out and dou x by dou x will be 1. So answer is y here. Similarly, for the expression, if you do dou u by dou y, in dou u by dou y, x is treated as constant. X is treated as constant. So take x out. Dou y by dou y will be 1 and the answer is x. Okay. So whenever you are differentiating an expression with respect to x, y should be treated as constant. So whenever you are differentiating the expression with y, x should be treated as constant. Okay. Now similarly, we'll see one more problem. U is equals to x cube y. Find dou u by dou x and dou u by dou y. So if you see dou u by dou x is equals to x cube dot y. Here we are differentiating with respect to x. So y should be treated as a constant here. Y is a constant parameter. So constant parameters you have to take out. Y dot dou by dou x, x cube. So differentiation of x cube means you have to apply the formula d by dx x to the power of n. This is nothing but n x to the power of n minus 1. So based on this formula, it is y into 3 dot x square. So answer is 3x square y. Similarly, dou u by dou y is equals to x cube dot y. Here x term, x parameter, x term will be treated as constant. Okay. So you take x cube out, dou by dou y and y is equals to x cube. This is the answer. So dou u by dou x is y, 3x square y. Dou u by dou y is x cube. Okay. Did you understand this? We'll see similar problem. One more problem.
Yes, sir.
u is equals to x cube y plus xy plus x plus y. So here also we'll find out dou u by dou x and dou u by dou y. Dou u by dou x is equals to here we have three terms. Okay, so four terms. In all four terms, x should be taken and y should be treated as constant. Okay, so x cube dot y plus dou by dou x dot y plus dou by dou x plus dou by dou y. Now, if you treat y as a constant, here what happens? This term is equals to three x square y. Okay, because only x should be differentiated, y is constant. What is this term? What is this term? It is equals to y. So differentiation of x is 1. Here this is a constant, so it will be equal to 0. Similarly, dou u by dou y. If you see dou u by dou y, x cube y, dou u by dou y, xy dou x by dou y plus dou y by dou y. So what will be the answer here? Here we have to differentiate with respect to y. X is treated as constant. So x cube dot 1 plus x dot 1 plus the differentiation of x is here. The differentiation of x with respect to y is 0 because x is constant. Plus 1. This is the answer. Okay. You understood now logic, how we are solving? Whenever two,
Yes, sir.
yeah, whenever two variables are there, when you are differentiating with respect to x, y should be treated as constant. When you are differentiating with respect to y, x should be treated as constant. That is the only difference between differentiation and partial differentiation. In differentiation, we have to consider two variables. Here we are considering only one variable at a time. The other variable, we are keeping it as constant. Now we'll
Okay,
see
sir.
one more problem.